Ever wondered how to make your screenshots look more professional and visually appealing? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit screenshots using Canva, even if you're not a design expert. First, start by uploading your screenshot to Canva. Once it's in the editor, click on your image and head over to the Edit Photo menu. Here, you can crop out unnecessary parts, adjust brightness, contrast, or even apply filters to make your screenshot pop. But that's just the beginning. Canva also has powerful AI tools that can save you a ton of time. With Magic Grab, you can isolate specific elements from your screenshot. Want to remove something distracting? The Magic Eraser makes it disappear in just a few clicks. Next, if you need to highlight important parts, head to the Elements menu. You can add shapes, arrows, or circles to draw attention to key information. This is perfect for tutorials, presentations, or even social media posts. Once your screenshot looks exactly how you want, you can either download it directly or share it from Canva with just a few clicks. It's fast, easy, and makes your content look polished and professional. Editing screenshots doesn't have to be complicated. With Canva's tools, you can transform simple captures into clear, eye-catching visuals in minutes. Give it a try and see how much more engaging your screenshots can become.